Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're camping at the beautiful Circus RV Resort. They have a beautiful pool, amazing dog park, and it's a great casino. In this video we're going to be showing you how to make some delicious cotton candy kettle corn. And just a little spoiler alert, it is super delicious, but you definitely need to enjoy it right after you make it. We just got done with what felt like 1,000,000 miles of walking, and we're gonna make some kettle corn. We've got buttered popcorn, cotton candy, and some peanuts. Now what we're gonna do is pop the popcorn and melt the cotton candy and the peanuts in a skillet. Let's get started. Well, it is the next morning. Last night I just got too tired and the audio was not working out, so I just wanted to quickly tell you thank you for watching that video. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. The Glamper Camper says that you definitely need to come check out the Las Vegas Strip and Circus, and we will see you later.